How to fix cannot verify phone number on Apple ID. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on general and then on date and time. Here, make sure the set automatically toggle button is toggled off and further tap on the time zone option and make sure the time zone is set correctly, and if not, then go ahead and change the time zone. Next, in settings again, tap on privacy and security option and further tap on the location services option and make sure it is enabled. Now, in settings again, tap on the language and region option and make sure the region is set correctly. If not, then go ahead and change the region and start your iPhone again. See if your issue is fixed or not. If not, force restart your iPhone by quickly pressing the volume up button. Next, quickly press the volume down button and finally press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once your iPhone is restarted, see if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then launch the settings application again and tap on your Apple ID and scroll down and tap on the sign out option and sign yourself out and then sign in again, and your issue should have been fixed by now. So this is how you can fix cannot verify phone number on Apple ID. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.